Hey guys, so in this video, I will show you how to fix too many attempts, try again later problem on TikTok. This error happens when you log in too many times on your TikTok account. So if you want to know how to fix this, stay in this video up till the end. And now let's get started. You can follow this fix even if you're using an iOS or Android phone. So now go to your phone settings. Then go to your App Manager or App Management section. Then look among your apps, the TikTok app. Now click TikTok and look for storage and cache. If you're an Android user, well, if you're using an iPhone, go to your settings and then click iPhone storage and then click iPhone and wait for it to load. And then you click TikTok and then click clear cache or clear data. And if you're using an iPhone, just click offload data. So when you clear your data and clear your cache on your TikTok app, this will refresh the app and will enable or allow you to log in again without any error. So once you've done that, exit your settings and then go back to your TikTok app. Now go to your login page and then now you try to log in your account details. So if you're using your email for TikTok, you can log in through your Facebook or through your Google or any of these social media apps that you connected to your TikTok account. So by now you are logged into your TikTok and you faced no errors. But if you still have a problem logging into your TikTok account, I suggest that you uninstall your TikTok and restart your phone and then install the TikTok app again and then you log into your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.